In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos to YouTube. Now, if this is your very first video, definitely watch this video to the end. I will also add an additional video in the end screen that'll show you how to navigate through the actual wizard that YouTube provides for the very first video. But you're definitely going to want to know this process as well, because this is how you're going to upload your second, third, and fourth, etc., etc. So you definitely want to stick around and make sure you understand how this works and where you can find it.
Deliver your value.
Hi, and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Currier, and I am here to help you deliver your value through online video. So I'm excited that you've taken the step, or you're about to take the step, to upload your first video or start uploading videos to YouTube. It's a great way to be able to get your message out, share your creativity, build a business. So many opportunities here on YouTube, and you are on your way to growing whatever it is that's important to you here on the platform. So I'm excited to be able to help you do that, and we're going to look at the actual mechanics of what you need to do to get that video up to YouTube, and plus I'll share a couple tips on some little things that you can do to make sure that people are seeing that video once it's there. We're going to hop over onto the computer. I'm going to show you how everything works.
All right, so in this video, we're going to show you the ongoing process of uploading videos to YouTube. Now, if you're uploading your very first video, you can do it like this. Also, at the end of this tutorial, I have a video that shows you how to go through the wizard that YouTube provides for the very first upload, but this is going to be your day-to-day upload process. So here we are on this test YouTube channel. In this case, we're Joe the YouTuber. In the upper right-hand corner, we have this little camera, and it says create a video or post. If we click on that, we'll get a drop down and we have an opportunity to go live or upload a video. In this case, we're going to click on upload a video. And then here we have the opportunity to upload a video. Now, what you can do is open a folder where you have a video saved, and then you simply drag the video over this particular icon and let go. And when you do, it's going to drop that video onto YouTube, and that is going to start that process of uploading. Now, by default, it's going to give you a title that is the name of the video. So we actually want to change the title. Now, here's the thing that you want to consider when you're uploading your videos. You want to make a title with, search in mind or suggested video in mind. And basically what that means is you either want a title that's going to capture people's attention if they see it on the screen, or you want to understand what people are searching for, depending on the type of content that you're making, and input that title accordingly. Now, if you want more information on exactly how this, keyword research and the, planning your title works, I will put a video in the card above right now that you can go check out to understand how to title your videos, because that can be very important in the process. But in this case, we're just going to call it, we're going to do my test video. In this video, we are testing the upload process. And then you want to do, keyword research here. We'll do test videos. Do not watch this video. And again, there's also specific information on how to populate your keyword research. I will throw that video, like I said, up in the link. It covers both how to do your title and how to do keyword research also. So once you've done that, you have an opportunity to click publish. Now, here's the thing you really want to pay attention to. When you first upload your video, it's always best to set this to unlisted. That'll allow you to save the video once it's uploaded, but nobody can see it. And then you can make changes and make sure you have your title and your description and everything all filled out the way you want it before you actually go live. You can also leave it as unlisted if maybe you're doing the video the night before you want to release it and you get everything ready, and then in the morning you can set it to public and everybody will see it. You also want to make sure that you are creating playlists, and each time you create a video, you want to add those to playlists. Playlists are kind of like categories or organization of your video topics, and they help people see more of your content, helps you organize your content on your main channel page, etc. Also, if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, in this case, this is a brand new channel here that probably hasn't been verified. So it gives us the default thumbnail option, which is basically still prints from the video. And we're going to select one of those so it does have a thumbnail. And you can also, I believe it's once your channel is verified, then you can actually do the the custom thumbnails. You can click on the link in the upper right-hand corner for a video on how to enable custom thumbnails. This is what you want. You want your title, your description, your tags, everything set. We can click done to save that. And then you always have the option to return to editing here. And once you're ready, you can click public. Again, added to the particular playlists that you want. And once this says everything is good to go, you click publish, and that video goes public on your YouTube channel. And that's all there is to it. Each time you upload a video, you want to make sure that you get all of this information filled out as much as possible before you actually set this to public. So if you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to help.
And hey, don't forget, this video is sponsored by TUBEBUDDY. TUBEBUDDY is the #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel. It's available to download for free, and there's a link in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you would like to receive future notifications on videos that can help you on your YouTube journey, consider clicking this subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. That's all the time we have for today. My name is Dan Courier, and you're watching Creator Fundamentals. Thank you.